See, this is Kmart. Kmart really has never had any luck on Tinder.
I've never had any luck on Tinder.
Now, while you can't change your genetics, you can change your status. And see, there was a whole study that showed that higher status symbols can actually affect your attraction. Yo, don't kill the messenger. I actually want to kind of run an experiment and see if this is even true with Tinder. So, we're gonna take Kmart and we're gonna take a picture of Kmart in a penthouse. And then we're gonna take him to the projects. See, every Tinder needs 3 to 4 good pictures. One by yourself, one with friends, one doing a hobby, or even holding a puppy because, well, girls love puppies. Now, to make this whole experiment interesting, we're gonna actually try to dress you to make you look good. We're gonna make everything fitted, and you're gonna have nice clothes in both the projects and the pants. God damn, okay. There's gonna be a mission. Let's go. Yo, you got anything over there? Here, get it. Yo, is it there?
Nah.
God damn. Here, catch this.
Man, I'm not that strong.
We need a nice fitted white tee, size small, and we need black chinos. That's like the killer outfit right there. Right? Basics. Yo, white tee, black chinos, got him. Let's go. Alright. Number 2, the grooming, bro. Like, if we're gonna make you more appealing, we gotta make sure that both in the penthouse and the projects, you look good. Because that's something guys can control. And for that, our company, Manscaped. Bro, we created the best, you can Manscaped.
Yeah,
Of course, we're everywhere, bro. Well, we created the best trimmer in the market for a reason. We sell all through Target and Best Buy for a reason. Because we got the best trimmer in the market. Now, yes, don't be, it is for your balls, but this is a brand new box. I'm gonna gift it to you, right? And the cool part is that if it's a brand new one, you could use it on your face or buy 2, one for your face, one for your balls. Keep it hygienic, do what you gotta do. The point is that we got a brand new trimmer with a ceramic blade that's perfect for sharp cuts, which is what we're gonna do to your beard right now. Cool? Essentially what we're gonna do right now is clean up his neckline just to give he already has a sharp jaw. So why not highlight that even more by removing some of that neck beard and really bringing some definition to the jaw area. This in pictures is gonna photograph perfectly. Now the cool thing with our trimmer is that we have a built-in LED. So when you're trimming under low light situations, look how much that LED helps. So you can see where exactly it is that you're trimming. And see, that's the cool thing with our trimmer from Manscaped. It's versatile, not only for your balls, but for your face as well. The dude looks sharp. We brought in some of that highlight to his beard. Of course, if you want to go to town, you can edge up the rest of your hairline. But for now, I don't want to mess the guy up. I'm no barber. I'm going to leave that up to you guys. If you guys want to check out our brand Manscaped, you guys can click the link down below and we're going to send you our perfect package. This is our best-selling package where you get the Lawnmower 3.0. This thing is waterproof, 7,000 RPMs, and you cut through anything. Doesn't matter how coarse it is. We also gift you a free pair of underwear in case you do get lucky with Tinder. Your girl will thank you. Thank me. That's completely free. That's a $20 value. We're gonna send that for free. There's also a leather dopp kit in here, and then you get 2 grooming products within this bundle. If you guys want to check this out, click the link down below. Get 20% off plus free shipping. You're my brother. You get this completely for free. It's your day, bro. Let's keep it going. Now, we gotta take the pictures. Number 3, now we're taking pictures. Let's keep this rolling. See, to make a solid Tinder account, you need 4 good pictures. 1, that shows how good looking you are. 2, that shows kind of what you do and what you're made of, your status. 3, one that shows your hobby, something about you. And finally, number 4, one with friends that shows that you're a great guy, that you can have a great time. Women are suckers for this. But to make the experiment work correctly, we're gonna take these pictures and try to make them as exact as possible, but in 2 different status levels. The first one, for example, which is you making you look good, it'll be in a penthouse.
The lighting is best from this angle.
Making him look like a baller. But then we're gonna go to the projects and take that exact picture, or as exact as we can, and now in a lower status environment. Then we're gonna take something a little bit more spectrum or full body. Again, this is kind of to show your, like I said, what you got to work with. Women like to see a lot. We're gonna go back to that penthouse and take that exact picture, kind of showing full body, showing that power and that status. And then we're gonna go back to the projects and take a similar picture as well as we did in the penthouse, except now we're in a lower status environment. Now we do the hobby. So we made our friend Kmar an athlete because, well, athletes just get girls in bags. Let's be real, like, it's just easy money for an athlete. We're gonna take him into the indoor court for the Penthouse, which looks money as you can see. I mean, yo, I wanna low-key start balling now.
All right, so we forgot the basketball, so the Magic Man Gavin's gonna actually Photoshop the ball in. Look how dope this is about to look. Yep, no ball, but that was clean.
And then we're gonna take him in the middle of the court surrounding the project. Again, we're talking about the same guy here, right? Same interest. It's just different background. See if this even matters. Finally, we're gonna do the one with the friends. So for here, we just picked the staircase in our office, which looks, in my opinion, pretty elegant, pretty clean. Ready? Yeah. Bro, that thing you did? Bro, and we just got all the people from our office and made it seem like we're all Kmar's friends, which, by the way, Kmar, yo, I love you. We're already friends. We did a whole video together, bro. Come on. And then we did the same thing. And again, since we just needed a regular staircase, we just picked up a raggedy stairwell. Also in our office is our service stairwell.
Oh, like mean mugging?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my bad. That's your mean mugging?
Same group of guys, same friends, just having a great time. And there you go. All right. So this is the fun part. This is where we're going to create two different accounts. One for Kmar or Tyler, who's gonna be the rich guy, and one for the poor guy, right? In a lower status. He's still the same guy, he's still out here trying to hustle. We're gonna create two similar accounts. Now, I tried to do similar accounts for both guys, same stats, same everything, and I put the pictures even in the same order. Literally, the only thing that's different is the background. Now that both accounts are done, now we're just gonna swipe on girls. I'm gonna swipe on 100 girls on each phone and see which one racks in the most girls. Now this is the point of this experiment. The study suggested that a higher status objects like cars and penthouses and all this stuff actually mattered. Women were attracted more to that guy. What I suggest, and here in TMF, is that the things that you can control, your grooming, your style, your positioning, even proper photography, and how you make yourself look is what actually matters. Here we got two identical guys. They both look good. They got fitted clothing on. We fixed the grooming. We took sharp pictures. This is stuff that you and I can do. Doesn't matter what your income level is. Stuff that you can actually control. This is how you project yourself to the world. My personal theory is there's not gonna be much difference. And I wouldn't be surprised if the lower class guy ends up winning or if the difference is marginal. But let's see. Now we gotta wait 3 days. Boys, let's do this. It's been 3 days. Let's see if we hooked up our boy Kmar here. And I'm also excited to prove myself right because, yo, like, I've said it before, I'm trilingual, bro. English, Spanish, and facts. That is all that I speak, bro. I should actually just start a facts channel. That's literally what I should do. The point is, let's hop into this and let's see what's going on. So, it's been about 3 days. Let's go over Tyler. Tyler's the rich guy, or Kmar, but rich. Let's see. Oh, dang. Jeez, Tyler's popping off. All right. So Tyler right here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 18 likes. He's sitting at 23 matches out of 100 swipes. So we're looking at a 23% conversion, which, I mean, my boy was already good looking. I think he's shooting above average here. Maybe the skyscrapers and the penthouse helps. I don't know. Let's see what the poor guy yielded. We're gonna open the poor guy. So we named the poor guy Kmar, not Kmar. Lack of. That's 30 likes and matches. 30. He's the poor guy. And if I'm not wrong, the caliber of matches on the poor guy is better. This is the second time I proved myself right. That's a 30% conversion in 3 days. Yo, you saw it here. There is no way you can fudge with these numbers. The reality is, like I told you from day one, money does not matter. What matters to women are the things that you can control. And I've said this over and over again. And I'm over here just proving it to you guys. The things that you can control, your grooming, your style, your hobbies. Pick attractive hobbies. Make sure you wear right clothing. Keep yourself well groomed. And look at that, 30% conversion on Tinder. We took a guy that had no luck on Tinder to 30% closing rate. I'm gonna call that a success. I'm gonna call that a success. You don't need the money. You don't need the crazy good looks. Just put in the work, bro. That's it for me today. See you next time.